Hello everyone, welcome to the series of strings, and in today's lesson we will be learning out how to work with the ends with method. Matlab, we have to check whether a given string ends with the given another string or not, like we did with starts with. So if our given string is A, B, C, D, E and my second given string is D, E, we will check if S2 is ending with S1 or not. So very simple it is. We will number one condition will be if S2 length is S1, then we will proceed further, otherwise we will simply print it false, right? Number second point, what we will do now, I will check it with the end, with the last digit. So I will take two variables, say S1 as end, S2 end, and I will put the last indexes. So the last index will be S1 dot length minus 1, of course. So here also S2 dot length minus 1. So it will be initialized with the end indexes, right? And then I will check if S1 end, the character present at this S1 end and the character present at this, are they same? Increase the counter. If the counter is equal to S2, print it's true, otherwise print it's false, right? I'll just show you one example. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose this is having the value, so it means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So S1 end will be having 5 value and S2 end will also be having 5 value, right? Now we will compare the characters present at both of these indexes. Are they same? Yes. After that I will decrement S1 end value minus minus and S2 end value minus minus. So now it will become 4 and 4. Now I will check again the characters present at 4 and 4 index of both of the strings. They are also same, right? Now we have reached to the end of the length of the S2. Now because both of the characters are present over here, then we will say that because we have incremented the counter value at both of the points. So I will say if counter value is equal to S2 dot length, it means the string is ending with the given first string, right? So let me just show you how we have to work with this. Just string 1 I will be taking, A, B, C, D, E, and I will be taking another string S2 is equal to DE. The first very condition I will be using is if S2 dot length is less than or equal to S1 dot length, I'll further proceed it. If it is not, I'll simply print false, that it is not present. Very simple. And after that I'll take a variable, say I is equal to 0, and as we have discussed, we have to take two variables, S1 end, which I will be initializing with S1 dot length minus 1, and again I'll be taking second variable S2 end, and that will be equal to S2 dot length minus 1, right? So both of the variables I have taken. Now I'll be taking a counter variable is equal to 0, and I will just iterate it through the string, and I will say S2 dot length. Now I'll say if S1 dot char at S1 end, if it is equal to S2 dot char at S2 end, if both of the characters are same, then simply increment the value of the counter, right? And after that increment the value of I as well, and for S1 end and S2 end you have to decrement that. Right? After the for loop I will write if the counter value is equal to S2 dot length, simply print true, or else we'll print false over here. So let me just show you exactly. It is present. See, if I will just give it another string, it will just check, and if each of the characters are not the same in both of the strings, it will just print us false. Hope you guys have understood the concept. Thank you very much.